How to use a planner as an author. Hi, I'm Puja Mohan. I'm an indie author, aka a self-published author, and welcome to my writing studio.
I like your planner videos. Can you make a video about how you use it on an everyday basis?
So this is the current layout that I'm using for my daily planning. It is based on the layout that I was using earlier by Day Designer. I'll leave a link to that in the description section below. But that planner had a lot of things that I was not using, so I have modeled this one based on that, and I've removed the sections that I was not making use of. On the top you'll see I have a section for my priorities. I like to have 3 priorities for the day, preferably one for my work, one for my family, and one for myself, something that I want to do for myself that day. And then I have a place for my schedule. Now there are portions of my day that don't change, and then there are parts of my day that are absolutely unpredictable. So this helps me have some semblance of a routine. Having this allows me to not go completely off the rails for the portions that are unpredictable. I also have a place where I can plan my meals and track my water intake. And then I have my to-do sections based on what is my focus for the day, whether it is more of self and family and home related stuff, or whether it is work related stuff. So if I have my work as my priority for the day, my work related tasks will be on top and my family, house and other tasks will be at the bottom, and vice versa. Anything that I need to take care of, any notes that I need to make, anything that I need to remember for the next day, I write it down in my notes section. So here you have it. This is how my daily planner looks like, and because I have these things so scheduled out, I can carve out time for writing, which is a session in the morning and a session in the afternoon. And based around these 2 blocks, I plan everything else. My house chores, my family obligations, all those things are planned around that. I also like to have the stickies from my 90-day plan on my daily so that I know that this has to be my focus for the day. Once I'm done working on that particular task, I can move it over in my done section of my Kanban system. Are you a planner person? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to leave your questions in the comment section below if you'd like me to answer them in one of these videos. If you're new to self-publishing, check out this playlist, and if you'd like to know more about cost of self-publishing, check out this one.